I'm standing right now in the bustling Azura Market of Meridion, the coastal capital of Islarna. And behind me, plumes of fragrant smoke rise from a row of wooden grills. Today's star is the famed Glowing Emberfish Tostada, a dish that feels like a sunrise on your tongue. The chef flips a bright sapphire blue emberfish fillet over hot volcanic coals, and the sizzling sound echoes through the market stalls. Islarna's climate mixes tropical sun with southern monsoon breezes. Fishermen haul in their catch before dawn, and farmers from the highlands paddle wicker baskets of Emberleaf to the docks. For centuries, Islarna's people have married sea and mountain flavors. Sea salt harvested from sun-dried kaibus, and rare Emberleaf herbs grown in misty slope. Local storytellers say the fish glows faintly because it feeds on bioluminescent plankton found only in the deep channel of Islarna's west coast. The emberfish itself is a medium-sized coral fish with a firm, pearly flesh that soaks up smoky heat. It's marinated for 3 hours in a paste of crushed emberleaf, an aromatic herb that smells like a blend of basil, lemongrass, and a hint of citrus zest. The marinade also uses Stardust Sea Salt, tiny crystal shards harvested when high winds stir salt foam into the volcano's crater. This salt adds a delicate crunch and a whisper of mineral sweetness. Each tostada begins with a handmade rice tortilla, slightly thicker than a Mexican corn tortilla. Farmers grind caja rice and heirloom green with a nutty aroma and mix it with a pinch of volcanic ash to give the tortilla its pale lavender hue. After they press it thin and grill it over charcoal, the tortilla develops crispy, blistered edges that snap gently under your teeth. Now watch as the chef layers on the grilled emberfish. He shreds the fish into bite-sized ribbons, then stacks them on the warm tortilla. Next comes Verde Mirrorvine Salsa, made from tiny Nero berries that look like droplet-sized glass beads. When crushed, they release a sweet-tart juice and tiny seeds that glimmer like pearls. A final drizzle of Emberleaf infused avocado oil adds a silky finish. I take my first bite, and wow! The tostada crackles, then softens into tender fish and salsa. Smoke from the grill dances with the bright citrus of emberleaf and the dairy sweet tang. The rice tortilla brings earthy warmth, and each bite leaves a lingering glow of sea minerals and herb sweetness on my palate. The texture is a perfect contrast. Crisp shell, juicy fish, popping berry seeds. Right here, watching locals laugh and share plates under colorful canopies. You feel Islarna's heart and soul. Traders still travel by sailboat between islands, carrying spices and fresh fish to these markets. The dish you see is more than food. It's the story of mountain mist, ocean dart, and century of island trade. So grab a boat ticket, head to Meridion's docks at dawn, and follow the aroma to the emberfish grills. Trust me, once you taste glowing emberfish tostada, you'll understand why Islarna's living flavors shine brighter than any gem.